president is very fast. Immediately he catches. Srinivas, Faisal, Naresh, you can also join it. Naresh, come.
No issue.
Come, Faisal. Naresh, you join him.
Please, come hold my hand.
We have been quite often taking your support at the same time to the best of our possibility we have been doing. Now, this time also, we had very good response at the Park Plaza. Here it will be much better, but I will request all the members to get there when people who are connected and ask them to visit so that we will have maximum number of people coming, and by the visit of lot of people, it will get a good name to all of us. Hope you will all have a nice time here and a very good business. I would request Mr. Sharma to say, President, few words.
Thank you, Kakaji, and good morning to all of you once again. See, this exhibition is happening at the most appropriate time. The budget is round the corner, the interest rates are falling, and just about a week back, JLL, one of the largest IPC, property consultants from India, they have come out with a report about the inventory in Bangalore. What we are witnessing currently is, while Bangalore is giving us good numbers throughout India, somewhere the sentiments also give us a feeling that as if the Bangalore market is also suffering. And primarily in the minds of our customers, they get somehow carried away with this kind of a misinformation campaign. So what we did was to commission JLL, who had gone through with the inventory levels of about 957 projects, which have just been completed or are under construction and likely to be completed in next 1 to 5 years period. And from that, what was noticed, and which was such a pleasant surprise, that only 2% of our inventory today currently is there in finished stock. And about 60% plus has been sold out, and the remaining is under construction. So if that is the case, where the inventory levels have started falling, we need not have to worry with the high inventory level, and we need to convince our customers that this is the right time, where bankers are there to support them. Interest rates in a flexi deposit kind of a scenario are likely to come down. India's economic growth is likely to become better and better. The right pricing and the kind of offering which here at this place our customers will get, I do hope that all of you collectively should take advantage of that. And when you meet the customer, when you do an interaction, please ensure that when they go back with the conviction that this is the right time to buy. This will help them, and this will help the developers fraternity as well. Thank you, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. To our president, thank you.
This is our biannual event where we ensure that our cadet fraternity members, they get an opportunity to showcase their products along with the bankers to support for the funding on the spot. And this allows our valued customers to know, right, what are the products available, at what price range they are available, in which locations available, to make up their mind. Because Bangalore is growing the way it is growing, such kind of an exhibition helps them to zero in as to what to buy, where to buy. Our expectations have been that the Bangalore economy is doing very well. Bangalore developers are giving value for money product. Somewhere the sentiments appear to be a bit down, where through such exhibitions we hope that to convert this into an opportunity and give them the product what they have been looking for or dreaming for. We are telling them that CREDAI is a very credible organization, right? And the CREDAI developers, generally speaking, they deliver a good product. We try to give them the best possible product with good specifications at the best possible price. And I would urge upon these customers to make up their mind, believe in the CREDAI fraternity members and take the call. If they have been really looking for to buy a home, this is the time to buy. Thank you.
I am feeling very great and elated because today is a very great day, particularly this month, this day, because tomorrow being a Valentine Day, we are offering good products so to make a family. See what is all about a home. Home is makes you feel at home. How it comes, you need to have a home first. And for that, what can be a best gift for a lady? The husband giving the best of product in the town. CREDAI offers that. The best built houses around town is available with CREDAI members. We want all the citizens of Bangalore who can afford the properties, who need to buy a property, to come to the CREDAI Expo these 2 days, pick the best product and invest them, and you are not going to get the price reduction over the years. What you invest today will grow up, and that is the marked trend of that. CREDAI is a very accredited association of members. We are about, you can say, the 20-80 rule. 20% of the people in the market who develop 80% of the product are part of CREDAI. So our strength on numerical strength may be less, but we are the majority property developers in the city and in the country. We have established over the period a self-regulated code of conduct, and we see that our members follow all the rules and regulations and give the best product, because we bring in the knowledge sharing, we have interaction, we have seminars where best of product, best of knowledge, best of technology is used in the product. So when you buy a product from CREDAI member, you are getting quality, you are getting value addition, you are getting value for your money, and you are getting a product which will grow in size. Thank you, best of luck. Thank you.
See, we started this organization. I am K.K. Malpani, founder of Karnataka Ownership Apartments Association, which name we have changed to CREDAI, give it all India status. CREDAI has got, one thing is we are following code of ethics, bylaws and all. Second thing is we have got a sort of discipline which others don't have in private. And third thing is we give them hearing if there is any grievances against our CREDAI member by the buyers who are dealing with the property, dealing for acquiring property. With this, even in this period, we have got lot of senior members supporting us, participating in expos and taking action to see that we get a fair and good hearing.